So the chicken is wrapped in foil and the beef is wrapped in foil and they're in the oven. The chicken, I put the chicken on one of those, that pan has a little stand on top and on it, and I set the chicken on top of it. And the beef is right there. Okay. So this is the chicken from last night that we seasoned, and that is the beef. See how small that got from last night? Look how big it was last night. Of course, we have the ham over there, and we're settling down for dinner, salad, rice and peas with a little piece of pork on top that we cook up in the rice, and all the other little stuff, dressing and sorry, this is going to be our Thanksgiving dinner. Thanks for coming along with us, and this is, you know what that is. That is cranberry. Anyway, we're going to settle down to eat, and thanks for watching last night, and thanks for watching any videos that you watch.